So,
Yes.
okay, please choose any color you want. Oh, hello. 你好. Okay.
你要坐过来，坐过来。
Sorry. Please fold it in a half. Like this. And then put your needle again. Just go through. Two.
The same place?
Yes, please. Actually, so using the C's is not a Korean way. Because we don't have these C's in Korea. I just came up with the idea when I teaching the Korean people, because I saw they were using these to decorate their clothes. But if I can find better one, yeah, I can change. I'm flexible. Maybe you can find something good in Taiwan, and then let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting better in here. So maybe I shouldn't go back. Another story.
过敏
Another 1 year in
Yeah.
Taiwan. Even though we cannot deal with the big problems in the world, still we can finish it. Unless you give it up, right? Sorry. How can I say? It's my bad habit to tease other people.
Like he's still.
Yeah,
I'll do that as
It's
well.
fine,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Okay. Actually, it's not also how can I say, the traditional way to make it. Like the simplified
Yes.
way. My teacher would be angry when she says,
Oh.
yeah. But
Oh, so Korea still have like this kind of lesson to learn.
oh yes.
In the community and open for elder citizens or
Oh, it's for everybody.
for everybody.
But yeah, but usually the people make class private.
Oh, privately. Oh, in Taiwan we will have a public and for community elder citizens and held by some politicians.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If next time maybe we can cooperate with the the community university. Yeah. It's just near
Yeah.
here.
If you want.
Yes. Maybe hold a little exhibition about the story.
Exhibition.
Yeah.
Yeah. Their space just near us. It's like our neighbor.
Something is stuck.
It's okay. We can always solve a problem. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now, all you need to do is repeating. Yes.
2, 1.
Okay, wish we all could get better in life.
Yeah.
So I think have a chance to know about Norigae in Taiwan is it's very good and know more about and this is from Korea.
Yeah, it's very Korean traditional.
Yes, and about Korean culture is very good. So we have a similar thing in Taiwan called 那个叫什么香火。
香火.
Yeah, they do a like necklace in there, and some guard or something will live there and protect
us.
who wear this necklace. Yes. If we can make a plan and make them more popular in Taiwan with the story, I think the more people will want to buy it and DIY in themselves.
Oh.
But in Taiwan, maybe it's not like Thailand. But I think it's some people need to they need to learn something to they
Live for their life.
yes. In Taiwan, I saw some homeless people. They sell the magazine for the big issue.
A big issue.
Yes. So they can spread the revenue with the magazine. So they can
Improve their life.
Yes. So if the Norigae maybe is a chance we can teach them or let them know about this thing and with the story. So it becomes a thing represent helping people.
The most important thing is promoting this one.
So I think it even more the Taiwan people is love Korea culture. So they'll accept this for
because K-pop.
Yes.
Maybe you let Ziyu.
Yes.
Guan Lin.
Guan Lin.
Like Guan Lin. Chewy. Maybe I can ask Chewy
to put them. And Taiwanese. Well, this my K-pop star. They were the.
Who?
You put the Norigae.
It's difficult. Okay.
So much prosperity. So and maybe you can come down next time. We can talk about. Yes, when I was around election, I want to change about the house pricing situation. It's about to raising the tax to the big company. They own maybe 100 houses, but they pay very, very low taxes. So they keep the house in hand and raise the price, and many people is suffer from this situation. So as me as well, and so many my friends as well. If they buy a house, they have very high loan they maybe pay 30 years, 40 years. So this situation is getting more serious in Taiwan. So this is one. And the other hand, like traffic in Taiwan is bad. So when you walk in the street, we have less 人行道 sidewalk.
Alright.
So we have many car accident. It's because we have to walk in the road. Resident problem and the traffic problem is my main policy. So even though even though I didn't elect it, but I think it's very important, not only in Thailand or maybe whole Taiwan, even in whole Asia is the same problem here. So it's a issue. I think people need to think of. Yes. So that's all. That's my detail 心得. My thing is about I wanna make here. I think I wanna here is better for living. So I think the politics not only the it's too far from people now. Everyone think politics is for the higher power people, but I think it's not. Politics needs everyone to join it, and you can change it. But if everyone is not have the courage to get in it, so the situation will stay and even worse. So I want to join I want to run election because maybe I can build build a standard or build
抛砖引玉
Yes.
like give away a bricks and maybe someone will create a house somewhere.
Yes.
So
Try to attract more young people to getting it. Yes. So we can change the parties. That's important because I think is like American. We see the 26 years old man and become the congressman. So I think this is maybe can become in Taiwan or in many Asian countries. So this is important to bring young boys into the politics. Yes.
Okay. Oh, you put the Norigae there. Did you make a wish?
yeah.
Then I'm sure that you guys made a wish.
Yes.
Secret.
Secret.